It's time for the Dick Jenkins Show with his guest, Elvis. And now, it's Dick.
Thank you for the introduction. Ed McMahon as my announcer, everybody. Ed McMahon. Apparently, I'm dead.
You are correct, sir.
But they're giving me the chance to go ahead and do my show. So tonight, very special guest, Elvis Presley, everybody. Elvis Presley.
Thank you very much. Thank you very much, Dick. Real big fan. Glad you're up here so I can be on your show for once. Thank you very much.
Yes. Yes.
Yeah, Dick. I'm glad you're up here so I can do the show for you. I want to perform my new song. It goes a little something like this. It goes.
What is with the sauce in the face? That's like twice now.
Yeah, me and Michael there are getting ready to go perform for the ball.
What? Michael? Michael Jackson?
Hey, Big Jenkins. This is it.
Michael Jackson?
I really love Dick.
Oh, well, that's good. You like my show?
What show? Look at me, everybody. I'm finally white.
Baba Booey.
Well, this ain't so bad. I think I can go forward with this. At least I gotten away from Randy Macho Man Savage. So that
Randy Savage, yeah, about that, Dick Jenkins, yeah. A little bit of car trouble, woke up here, not sure what's really going on or where we are, but hey, good to see you, buddy.
It's a brand new song called Sauce in Your Face.